Hey guys, it's your girl Sunshine Curls and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieve my signature Afro puff, but this time I'm going to show you how I achieve it using the braid out method. If you have seen my previous video, I showed you how I use the twist out method to achieve my puff. Now this time we're going to start with braids. So I have about like 7 to 10 plaits in my hair. They're pretty big, so I'm looking for a poofier look with this Afro puff instead of like a defined curls like I had in my previous video. Braid outs are all about getting that big puffy Afro look, and that's what we're going for today. But can we take a second to appreciate this hair growth though? Like, I have been neglecting my hair for so long, like not doing my deep conditions like I should be. So I'm so happy to see that my hair is still growing and flourishing. First, we're going to start out by pulling out each braid. You can add a little bit of oil to your fingertips to prevent any frizz. I honestly don't mind frizz, so I'm not going to do that today. And I like to just take my time and start from the ends and work my way up to the roots. I also like to take my time when I'm pulling out my braids to avoid pulling or snagging any hair, because I'm all about trying to retain my length and the health of my hair. And once you're done with that, the next thing you're going to do is fluff out each section. And this you're going to use your own discretion for. The more you fluff it, the bigger and less defined each section is going to be, and the poofier your puff is going to be. Now, why can't my Afro look like this when I need it to? Every time I try to do my Afro, it's a fail. But when I want to put it in a puff, shit looks beautiful. I can't. Next, you're going to grab your favorite Afro pick and you're going to go ahead and pick out your hair. We're going to pick it out all over from the roots to the ends. We're trying to make the hair as big and as puffy as you want it to be. Once that's done, this is what we're left with. Now I'm going to grab an old headband, and this is what I'm going to use to put my hair up into a puff. You can use anything that you would like, whether it be a scrunchie, a hair tie, headband, whatever works best for you. Once your hair is up, you're going to go ahead and fluff out the puff to your desired look. And once you achieve the look that you're going for, you can go ahead and style it if you want, gel the edges, add a hairband, whatever it is that you would like to do. This is the part where you can go ahead and have fun. I'm going to go ahead and grab my favorite headband. I just fold it a few times. And I love doing this whenever I don't feel like gelling down my edges, or if I just want to add like a different look to my Afro puff than what I usually go for. And this is what it looks like once we're all done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all of your natural hair friends. And comment below and let me know any hairstyles or any type of videos that you'd love to see me do. And don't forget to follow me on all social media platforms. Catch you next time.